so pretty. Like,
Tell them where we are.
we're going over Hoover Dam.
Yeah, we're getting close. I don't think this is it, but look over this.
Well, we're fixing to go over Hoover Dam, right?
Strong crosswind possible.
Wow, look at that.
Show them the rocks and everything.
Look, it's so pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then there's that.
No, over there, we see.
Yeah, I was
Over
over
there.
there. There's a little hill.
Keep it on that side for a second. No stopping on bridge. Oh my God, are we gonna be? Is this the Hoover Dam? Like, what's happening? Is this the Hoover Dam?
As you can tell, she's freaking out. She in a good way, happy. It's so
Look, and get
pretty.
this on camera. Welcome to Nevada. So the Hoover Dam. It's
Welcome
from
to
Nevada.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me see if I can get the sign. I think I got it pretty good.
Guys,
Good.
we just drove all the way across Arizona. Look down there. Look down there.
It's just a bunch of things. It is super pretty. She's freaking out.
Las Vegas, 32 miles.
Yep. So 32 minutes, not even an hour.
Right?
So we're 32 minutes away from Las
Away.
Vegas. She's on my nerve. Oh, they can see that, right?
Look at this right here.
It's super pretty. On the way, when we were like leaving Arizona, it was so cool because there was this big mountain and it looked just like a volcano. The sun hurts hard in my eyes. Ew, look at that. That would be scary to fall down off that.
It is.
Oh.
Bridge walkway.
Hoover Dam. Gas, food, loading. I think that's what that said.
35.
It's just for your safety, for real, though.
Duh.
Duh. Look at that. Like, that would be scary to drive on. Like, see? Like, that is so scary. I would
Hoover
never.
Dam.
Hoover Dam. I
It
didn't
says
catch.
right here, Hoover Dam. It had an arrow.
I already got another one that said that. A sign. Oh, why am I recording the door handle? See, like, that would be so scary to drive on that. Okay. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Look at that. It looks
Oh
like.
my gosh, are you recording?
Yeah. You want me to record that sign now?
Yeah, no, I just want you to, I don't know what's coming, so just re-record.
A porta potty. That, like, everybody wants to see that with the door wide open. The sun. It was raining so bad.
Look, get this sign.
What sign?
Grandma, you got your phone? Take a picture.
Oh, I'm gonna get this on camera. I'm gonna try. There's this
No,
cool.
you're videoing.
I'm gonna get it on camera too, no matter what. You ready? It's so pretty, like the sun, and then that. Yeah, I gotta get this anyways.
Are you getting it, Mace? Look at it. There's the dam.
Yeah, it's pretty. Woo! I don't think I got that very good. It's so pretty here. Look.
Must be fun. That way, Mace. Macy, that way.
Oh,
Wait for it.
oh, like look at the little hills. That's what, like, I think is so
Look out
cool.
there, baby.
Honestly, see that water way up
That
there?
ain't nothing. Just wait till we're looking down the dam.
I was just saying, let's see that water down there. Looks like there's a little
I wonder
boat.
what body of water that is.
It looks like a lake.
So I need to Google the Hoover Dam and figure out exactly
at that
Do you see it?
water.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Ah! That alarm scares me so bad. Sorry. What's the alarm?
Are you recording that all over there for mommy?
Yeah. I want to type me.
You're not. You're not even looking at what you're recording.
I'm doing it all right here too. See all that? Okay, here. Look, there's a little hole, and I'm gonna put you right there.
Hair tie. Do you see my hair tie on my back? It's black.
The words are in the way, but that's okay, right? It's so pretty.
All right. Tell them bye. I need my phone back for directions.
Bye. We don't know where we are.